They're doing a little better. Jewel moves the outside with a gap. Ready, set, go. Okay, here we go. Welcome, friends. It's me, Bobby D. It's Saturday. Here we are at Lakeside Raceway featuring Mount Holly, my quarter-mile scale drag strip here in my kitchen. 40 inches tall, so you know it's very fast. Well, today is Police Squad Day. I'm not talking about that super kitschy TV show starring Leslie Nielsen as Lieutenant Frank Drebin. No, I'm talking about Police Squad. And there's a couple of weirdos in there. This one's got actual wheels. This one kind of does, but I'm not going to count him. So we're looking at these four right here. Okay. Versus these four right here. Monaco. New Crown Vic. Black and white. New Crown Vic. I think those are different wheels. Oh yeah. New Crown Vic in white and blue. Old Crown Vic in metal. Okay, so let's crack them. All right, let's take a look at this 5-pack. This is heavier than I thought it would be. Does it fit on the track? Unbelievable. No, it doesn't track. Harbor Patrol. Yeah, no. Sweet boat. What's this one? I think it's that Holden. Quiet. Very quiet. 3241. Pretty round. Decent light bar. State police. I don't think they have states down there. Well, that was just bound to happen. Let's look at this thing. Metal. This is heavy. 65. Huh. Well, okay, let's look at this Camaro. 4581. Nice. Okay. Not bad. And there's this Oldsmobile. And no. Not even a light bar. Well. I really like this one. $31. This one has the roundest wheels. $32.55. and back and forth, up and down, and left and right. This is not good. Never have liked the black ones. That's why they're cheap, cheap, cheap. This one's cool. Like those spokes. Got an Amazon gift card for Christmas. That's how I got this one. This one's not cheap. Hard to find. Okay, so this one rolls against, oh, there's two metals. I don't care. Let's take these two. Dodge on the outside, Olds on the inside. Police squad, ready, set, go. Oh, good race. Look at that Oldsmobile go. 2021. Race number 2, holding on the outside, Hot Wheels. Crown Vic on the inside, Matchbox. New version, El Plastico. Oh, that was a good race. 14-16. Swapping lanes. Matchbox for the best time so far. 2014. Moves to the outside. Ready, set, go. Oh, so in 2014, it's time to beat 16. Whoa. Hot Wheels Camaro on the outside. Serve and protect on the inside. Ready, set, go. Oh, boy, that was a big difference. Hot Wheels with 2003. Hot Wheels moves to the inside. Let's see if you can crack that. 2 second mark. Go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Can he do it? 1998. So let's look at this thing for a minute. I'm finding this reoccurring. It says, can you read that? Warner. Seems like I got another police car that said Warner on the bottom of it. Oh, here's one right here. The black one, number 54, rolled pretty good. If this rolls, man, I can't wait to see this thing roll. It's a fugly car, though. Some futuristic looking thing, huh? Right. Tiny, it's got a fishtail like a mother. And it wins its race. We get 87 out of the package. Well, 1987 out of the package for the Hot Wheels. Go! Oh, see, on the outside too. Man, that crown was swimming all over the place. 77-79. That's not bad at all. Let's see if that Crown Vic can do that again. Got a 77. I don't believe that. Oh, it's right there. 97 and 95. Yep, it's 79 to a 77. Boom. How about that? I don't know if I can get any stuff on those rear wheels. Quiet. No sustain. Okay, so time for the medal round. Saw all the police. Medal round is brought to us by Kenworth. Yeah. Had this one for a while. Just acquired this one. Don't care. Well, let's look at him anyways. Oh, this Firebird. What a throwaway car. Or is it? What year is this crap? Jewel. 96. China. Weighs about nothing. 2774. And not round. Whoa. We're not winning any races. That's not why I got this thing right here. Every other version of this truck had black walls on it. This was the last one they made before they switched the die. This, wish I could get rid of it, but it's kind of attached. So it might swing open. Well, those doors open, I could put some more weight in there. There we go. Uh-huh. Man, I could just cut it right there. $59.43. Man, that looks sick. I love that. Wow. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, man. Woof. 86. Yeah. 59.86. Pretty round. Round than I expected. Oh, there's a good one right there. Nice cone shape on those wheels. That's dicey. But do they all drag when it rolls? Uh-huh, see the metal one right there? It's not. Nice. What was it again? 59.84. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Let's go racing. So I got the cement truck on the outside. The cab over on the inside. Ready, set, go. Cab over with a gap. I knew it. 2045 UGG. Jewel moves the outside with a gap. Ready, set, go. Another gap. What'd you get? 52. Okay, so I'm done with Speed Shop. And here's, I didn't do anything to him because his wheels are too tight. Those are perfect. I can't do any better than that. I got him down to a 2, but look at that. It's not attached up here at the front anymore. Yeah. He's down to a 67 to 79, depends on what mood he's in. It's got one good rep. This is about a 1985. Really like this one. Might be able to do a little bit more to him. That's all I worked on. I don't know, maybe. If anything, it's this one. Okay, so anyways, let's see him roll. They're doing a little better. Let's see, 72 to an 80. 72 is a damn good time. So let's look into the boot, as in booted out of the wheel, which is my top 25. So booted out of the wheel. Over here, I got a Crown Vic right here. The Eagle. Eagle rolled a 73 out of the package. It's had a week of rest to see how he's doing. Rolling against this black Crown Vic. Okay. Lined up. Ready. Set. Go. Good race. Oh yeah, Eagle puts a whammy on him. 63. 63. No, not that one. This one. Let's move up a little bit. So it does on the outside. 63. Go. Oh, time machine with a 60. Okay. See if this Camaro can get in. Gatekeeper, sort of. Actually, I think he's out. Camaro wins. He's really out. Camaro on the outside. Ready, set, go. Oh, 71. 71. He's in the wrong place. Let's roll him against this one. All right. Ready, set, go. Good race. Oh, man. Bullseye with a 57. Oh. So I'm going to put him where the Bullseye was. Bullseye is going to race Mrs. Peacock for number 1 in the boot. Mrs. Peacock is a bad example. I think she might test up into the wheel. Every time a roller she gets a little faster, so it's her time. Okay, so I got this Daytona on the outside. Got a Mercedes on the inside. Siku. Matchbox. Ready, set, go. Oh man, that was a great race. Siku with 2 clicks advantage. 56 is a real good time. 56 moves to the outside. Oh, laser. 58. Can't beat that 56. I know Mrs. Peacock's a 58. So come over here to the wheel. Pull it old number 5. Pull it size feeling frisky. Ready, set, go. Oh man, that was a great race. 51. Goes with a 49, moves to the outside. Oh man, they like the outside all of a sudden. That's right, I'm going to put him tucked in right behind the ghost. Beastie moves down. Okay. There's only one more issue. This guy right here. Who should we race him against? Who should we race him against? Let's roll him against FedEx. FedEx on the outside. Roadrunner on the inside. Beep beep. Great Pumpkin, come on! Great Pumpkin with a gap. Rolls a 40. Rolling a 40. Well, let's just go up here in the interest of saving time. 40, he said. I was expecting a 42. Okay. Oh man, that was tight. 49 to 52 lanes. Pumpkin doesn't like that dirty air. Ready, set. Oh, can't do it. 5 clicks. Okay, so apparently 40 was a hero run. FedEx was right here. Let's try him against the Tiger. Oh man. 42 to 44. That's Lane's 2-click difference. Ready, set, go. 2 clicks. Again. Faster times when the truck was running. So I'm going to have to give it to the truck. Truck. Not there. Truck was here. So give it to the truck. He goes like that. Vrooman goes right there. I think that's a hint. Time to wrap it up. So, thanks for stopping by, everybody. Really appreciate seeing to the end. And if you like what I'm doing and you haven't already, please give me a like and subscribe. Oh, speaking of likes, let's talk about, well, Andrew's new. He was out and he's back better, stronger than before. So there's new speed in the wheel. Polizei is out. One, two. Yeah. Old number 5 is the gatekeeper. And Trixie moved up. Way up past the dagger. Thumbs up for Trixie. Yay. Thumbs up for the Great Pumpkin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. Sweet. Thumbs up for a hydroplane that has wheels. Kind of rolls. 2 seconds. What a roller. On that note, peace, love, health, and God bless each and every one of you. Hope to see you again next week. I'm out of here. Sayonara. So, I just gave the black one an upgrade. Bonus. 1947.